Oh no, kids love learning Manx. They are more interested than the adults in the school, I'd say, to learn anything they can. So I'm Susie Brunswick and I'm a teacher at Sulby School and also a former pupil there, which is very Manx, of course. I run a school action group at Sulby School called Culture Vannin, whose aim is to learn about all things Manx, our culture, our heritage and our language as well. Kids love learning Manx. They are more interested than the adults in the school, I'd say, to learn anything they can. In my class, we always sing happy birthday to each other in Manx, and I always give the children the choice, do you want to have us sing happy birthday to you in Manx or English? And 9 times out of 10, the children will always choose Manx because it feels like their culture, their language, it's theirs. At Sulby School, we have a really brilliant culture of the older children really nurturing and supporting the younger children, and they all love their Manx lessons and are really keen to share what they've learned. So we applied for a grant to put in a piece of playground equipment into our playground. It's called a U-turn round, and the idea is that the children can record 8 tracks of audio in Manx that then the rest of the school community will be able to play at their leisure. It's a self-powered outside machine, and the children wind a handle and get to choose one of the tracks. So the idea came from the children at school. We've seen one of these pieces of equipment at the wildlife park, where they've got one on their nature trail and another one somewhere else in the park. The children in my school council action group will be recording the audio tracks for the machine, and they're keen to do things like songs, happy birthday in Manx, hop tune, as well as some conversations and some little tutorials. How do you say hello in Manx? And then they teach the listener how to speak some Manx phrases and words. So the hope is that once it's installed, this equipment runs itself and becomes a part of the playground, a part of the community, and learning and speaking Manx becomes a topic of conversation and a topic of play for the children, and not just a lesson as part of their school day. So we got this grant through Culture Vannin, from Culture Vannin, through the Year of the Manx Language 2026, the Blein na Gaelgey, which is an opportunity for us all to bring Manx to the forefront of people's minds and make a big deal out of the Manx language and bring it to the attention of audiences that perhaps haven't heard so much Manx, or haven't realised that there's so much Manx out there and so many opportunities for people who want to learn it.